Comic books invented superheroes, but nature got there first. These animals have abilities so extraordinary that scientists have spent decades trying to understand them, and some still cannot be explained. These are real superpowers that make humans look completely ordinary. Number 10. The mantis shrimp and its impossible vision. Humans have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes. The mantis shrimp has 16. It can see colors and wavelengths of light completely invisible to any other creature on Earth, including ultraviolet and infrared simultaneously. Scientists still do not fully understand how its brain processes that much visual information. It may be experiencing a reality so different from ours that we cannot even imagine it. Number 9. The tardigrade and its unkillable body. The tardigrade is an 8-legged microscopic animal that can survive virtually anything. Boiling water, frozen to absolute zero, the vacuum of outer space, radiation doses 1,000 times lethal to humans, complete dehydration for decades, then rehydrate and walk away. NASA has sent them to space and they survived. Scientists call the mechanism cryptobiosis, a state between life and death that no other complex animal can achieve. Number 8. The axolotl and complete regeneration. The axolotl can regrow entire limbs, not just heal, completely regrow. A perfect functional leg, complete with bones, nerves, muscles, and skin, regrown from nothing in weeks. More extraordinarily, it can regrow parts of its heart and brain. Scientists have been studying this ability for over 150 years, trying to unlock the secret for human medicine. We still cannot replicate it. Number 7. The pistol shrimp and its sonic weapon. The pistol shrimp snaps its claw so fast it creates a cavitation bubble, a tiny area where pressure drops so violently that the water briefly reaches the temperature of the surface of the sun. The resulting shockwave stuns and kills prey instantly. It is one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. A creature smaller than your finger wielding a weapon that briefly creates temperatures as hot as the sun. Number 6. The electric eel and its living battery. The electric eel can generate electric discharges of up to 860 volts, enough to stun a horse. But what scientists recently discovered is even more extraordinary. Electric eels can leap out of the water and press their body against a threat to deliver a more powerful shock. And they use their electric field to remotely control the muscles of their prey, forcing fish to twitch and reveal themselves from hiding. They are essentially weaponizing electricity in ways engineers are still trying to copy. Number 5. The Arctic tern and its impossible navigation. Every year, the Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, a round trip of 90,000 kilometers, the longest migration of any animal on Earth. And it returns to within meters of the same nesting spot every single year, without GPS, without maps, using mechanisms scientists are still debating. Some use the sun, some use magnetic fields, some may use smell. We genuinely do not know exactly how they do it. Number 4. The platypus and its sixth sense. The platypus can detect the electrical fields produced by the muscle movements of its prey underwater using thousands of electroreceptors in its bill. A sense called electroreception that humans do not have at all. It hunts with its eyes, ears, and nose completely closed, navigating entirely through electrical signals in the water. It is also one of the only venomous mammals on Earth and one of the only mammals that lays eggs. It seems to have been assembled from spare parts. Number 3. The immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii is the only known animal that can reverse its own aging process. When stressed or injured, it reverts back to its juvenile polyp stage and begins its life cycle again. Theoretically, it can do this indefinitely, becoming biologically immortal. Scientists have been studying it intensively, trying to understand how to apply this mechanism to human aging. It is a tiny translucent jellyfish about the size of a fingernail that may hold the key to eternal life. Number 2. The octopus and its alien intelligence. The octopus has 9 brains, 1 central brain, and 1 in each of its 8 arms that can act independently. It has blue blood, 3 hearts, and can change the color and texture of its entire body in milliseconds. Studies have shown octopuses using tools, solving puzzles, recognizing individual human faces, and playing. Their intelligence evolved completely separately from vertebrate intelligence, meaning nature invented complex problem-solving twice, independently, in completely different body plans. Number 1, the Mantis Shrimp Punch. We return to the Mantis shrimp for number 1 because nothing else on Earth compares. The Mantis shrimp strikes with the force of a bullet, 1,500 newtons of force in 3 milliseconds. The acceleration is so extreme that if a human fist moved at the same speed, it would burst into flames from air resistance. Its club is made from a structure so efficient at absorbing impact that engineers have reverse-engineered it to design next-generation body armor and aircraft panels. The most powerful punch in nature from a creature you could hold in one hand. So there you have it. Animals with superpowers science still cannot fully explain. Nature has been building superheroes for millions of years. Which ability shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe to Zoomania for a new extreme animal video every week. See you in the wild.